So today we're going to talk about the future of professional development and why schools need to evolve. The world of education is changing, but is your professional development keeping up? Here's why schools need to evolve their professional development programs and stay more relevant. So we know education is changing and professional development has to change with it. 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, communication, collaboration is important in the field of business. So it has to be just as important in the field of education. When we are working with our teachers, we need to make sure that our training reflects all of those things. We can no longer be the sage on the stage and lecture our teachers. Our teachers need to be part of the training. They need to be interactive. We need to allow them the space to play, allow them the space to innovate and create. They need to be just as involved as our students are in the classroom. Okay. Before we go any further, I want to hear what is one of the best moments you've ever had in professional development. I'd love to hear those stories. Put them in the comments below, and I promise I'll read them later. All right, let's get back to the video. So let's talk about what that really looks like. Traditionally, professional developments might be held in your auditorium or your cafeteria, set up in rows where teachers are sitting there, many of them, doing the traditional hiding their phones, hiding their grading. Here's my challenge to you. Let's make it more of a workshop style professional development. Let's have it so maybe there's even Play-Doh or Legos on the table. Let's make it so maybe there's more of a mentorship happening. It should be interactive. Teachers should be up, moving around, playing, doing things that are more project-based, maybe that continue outside of that 1 hour, one day, but actually happens maybe that day, but also during the next professional development and the next professional development. I'm not saying giving them more work. We know they have plenty of work to do. What I'm saying is that it is continual. It is not this one day, I'm going to be sitting here listening to you or a consultant or anyone tell me what to do, but I am hands-on, having fun. We are laughing. We are doing things. I'm also not talking about those, icebreakers. I'm talking about real work I can do tomorrow in my classroom. I am working maybe with peers on a lesson. That's how we evolve. That's how we make professional development fun, real, exciting, innovative, and relevant for our teachers. So here's my challenge. Are you ready to evolve your professional development? I would love to work with you. My team is ready. Let's create some incredible sessions that prepare your teachers for the future of education.